Hey guys, and happy Wednesday. On today's video, I'm going to talk to you guys about moisturizers versus leave-in conditioners versus styling creams. So guys, I don't really know how to start off this video, so I'm just going to go by what I have already. So let's just start with the leave-in conditioners. So a couple of videos ago, I showed you a bald spot in my scalp because one of my leave-in conditioners dried my scalp out and made my scalp sort of dry. This is the leave-in conditioner I had used. This is the Blue Magic, the one with the vitamin E in it. And I looked at the ingredients on here versus my newest leave-in conditioner. So they have almost the same ingredients in both jars. So I was trying to figure out why is this one more hydrating than this one. And both of them have like protein in it and water and stuff. And if you guys are very into ingredients and stuff, you're not gonna like Blue Magic products probably because they have like mineral oil and petroleum and stuff like that in it. But then again, higher products have the same kind of ingredients in it too. If you don't really pay attention, you'll be paying more money for the same kind of stuff. So both of these had like the same ingredients, but I think this one had 4 different ones in it, like rosemary and hemp and stuff like that. And I couldn't figure out why is this so much juicier than this one, and it has almost basically the same kind of ingredients. Well, just those 4 little things made a difference. Also, I've learned that I learned recently to look for leave-in conditioners that has certain words on it, like hydrating. This one has the word hydrating on it. This one does not. And this says it restores your moisture balance. So if you don't have a moisture balance already in your hair, you're gonna have a problem. I have a moisture balance in my hair, but apparently this doesn't get it to juice up like this one does here. So you guys have seen my recent review on this one, moisturizers versus leave-in. I don't know, I put it on the screen I think. But anyway, even though I use a leave-in conditioner, I will still put my moisturizer on top of this one. I don't need a moisturizer for this one because this one's already moisturizing. But this one right here, this one needed a moisturizer. It just felt so dry, and it just made me scratch. And I know some people was asking me, well, Nezi, how do you know that this made you have a bald spot? I never said this made me have a bald spot. I said it dried my scalp out, which caused me to itch. It caused me to scratch, and then I created a bald spot. This did not give me a bald spot. So the drier my scalp is, the itchier it is, and the more I want to scratch. So yeah. So when I use this, I should have used my moisturizer. I should have used that. Here goes my other moisturizer. This is Mark Lano's Luster. This is Motions. This is a new bottle of Motions. Somebody was telling me, well, Nezi, you should have saved your old bottle so you could take all of your moisturizer out your new bottle and put in the old bottle, because I don't think Motions is selling bottles this big anymore. Not right now anyway. And I looked at the ingredients, and they got different ingredients, but they still kind of like feel the same. So I looked at both of them, and I liked the way they looked. This one's more a light pink than my old one, but it might be because the product is old in here. So, but I'm glad I did save this big old bottle. So if I do decide, if they take too long making a big bottle of this, I'm gonna take this and put it in there because I like this pump. This pump is awesome. And then here goes my other moisturizer here. This is Soft Sheen Carson Wave Nouveau Humectant triple conditioners. Now this is pretty cool, but I like it when it's really hot outside. When it's hot outside, my hair is very moisturized, but then when it gets cold, it feels dry. So once I use this all up, here goes the cap right here. Once I use it all up, then I won't be buying this anymore. Definitely not buying this anymore. And here goes my other reliable source of moisturizer, my Mark Lano Luster. I'll link a bunch of videos. Well, I'll link some videos to these products already. Okay, so that's what that looks like. And I don't need to put another moisturizer with this one. This one's heavy duty. This is the bomb. This is my most reliable moisturizer. These two. This is my summer. This is my warm month moisturizer. This is my cold month moisturizer. So I like to still experiment. Do I need a leave-in conditioner? Probably not. I just like variety. I don't really need a leave-in conditioner. But this one is still a good one because it's hydrating and it's nice. Well, I'm gonna tell you something else too, and I said this before. I noticed if I use this leave-in conditioner and I braid my hair really tight, it locks my hair up. It will lock my hair up. I'm like, what are you doing? Why you lock my hair up? I'm gonna need you to unlock, okay? Do not lock my hair. And it brings me to the styling cream. So this is Talia Wajid styling cream, and this is when you could. This is a curling cream, curly curl cream, and this expires next year in January, guys. January 2019. So this has some pretty cool ingredients in it too. Am I a big fan of it? It's okay. I don't gravitate to it though. It's kind of earthy and herbal. I don't gravitate to it because it's still like a moisturizer to me, but it seemed like it dries. It seemed like it's more drying too. I don't know, but I think I'm done with experimenting with products. I have my holy grails. I have what works for me. I'm going to stick to what I like. And once I use this up, I won't be buying it anymore probably, because I can still style my hair with my moisturizer and some water. And definitely not that. So it all depends on your preference. Do you think you need a moisturizer and a leave-in conditioner and a styling cream to do your hair? I don't know. Not for me. I don't really need all those. Just give me my two basic moisturizers and I'm okay. And I like to have a cream, leave-in conditioner, and a liquid. I can't find my liquid. I think it's downstairs in my stash. But yeah, so that's the difference. The difference between, from my experience, is that moisturizers are more hydrating and more juicy. Leave-in conditioners can be dry or juicy. So long as you guys get a leave-in conditioner that says hydration, moisturizing, don't get the ones that say restores balance. No, you don't want nothing restoring. You want that balance to be already in here. Okay, so and this here, even if I did use this styling cream, I would still use my moisturizer with it because it just seemed like it dries my hair out. It doesn't moisturize my hair like my moisturizers. I like moisturizers. I like the way my hair looks when it's moisturized. So this is a twist out that is beat up. I had used this, some of this, and a little bit of hair grease, and created like maybe 8 to 10 big chunky twists. Because the longer my hair gets, the bigger the twists get, and the more they just be random. And I took them down and just to do this video, and my hair is really puffy, but it is hydrated. It's not dry. It's got like a nice little shine to it. And yeah, so I don't know. So like I said about these ingredients in here in Blue Magic, they have a lot of alcohol and stuff like that. So I don't go by ingredients too much. I go by how the product works on my hair. This really works for my hair, although it has mineral oil and petroleum and stuff like that. So if you're not into that kind of stuff, don't get this. Do not get it. Never get this here. So yeah, so what would I keep? Definitely my Motions, my old school. My Motions. I'm sorry, my Marcelino No Luster moisturizer. I'm more of a moisturizer girl, and I'll keep this. I'll keep all 3 of these because those work for me. And what I want to say. So I did look at the ingredients of these two. These have basically almost the same ingredients, but I'm like, why is this juicier? Well, this one has hemp in it, and both of them have hydrolyzed wheat, which means that's like a little protein. It has keratin in it and stuff, and this has rosemary and some other little stuff in there. But Yeah, it's a big difference. So I'm just gonna stick to the basics. Won't be getting this anymore. Won't be getting this anymore. Won't be getting this anymore. Do you need all that stuff? No. You just find your moisturizer. You find yourself a leave-in conditioner if you want to. Some people like leave-in conditioners better than moisturizers. Just get your leave-in conditioner and your oil, or your moisturizer and your oil, or do like how I do. Sometimes I'll do all three. And just call it a day. You don't really need much. Okay, so yeah. So the difference is that the moisturizers are more juicier and more liquidy and hydrating than leave-in conditioners, except this one, it says hydrating. All right, so hope I answered you guys' question, and I am going to see you guys in the next video because I am like really mad at my camera. I got this Canon 6D Mark II, and I got it repaired a few like maybe 2 months ago. They repaired it, sent it back to me, and I was acting the same way. I think it's a lemon. So I had to redo everything on my baby camera. My Canon T5i is very reliable. They talk about my little camera, but this little camera works. And I'm using my little Sigma lens, the 1835, and it works. It's good for me. I'm happy. So do you want me to bring Shay in right quick so you know you guys haven't seen her in a while? Mama's baby, come here, girl. Get it. Here she comes.
Any ideas?
Hi, girl. Hi. I don't you kick your don't you just sit there kick your mama. Hi, girl. Let's see back here. Can they see us back here? Because my little friend. This is my best friend, guys. This is Shay Shay. She's a good guard dog, aren't you, girl? Why you always want to kiss and lick? Ugh. Oh, question of the day. If you guys can write a book, what would your book be called? I will let me tell you what the name of my book would be. The name of my book would be, excuse me, but please don't touch my nipples. You're probably saying, what kind of book would that be? That would be a really juicy book. Wouldn't it be juicy? What would the name of your book be? How Not to Be a Lover? Ugh. Alright, guys. That is it. And I'll see you guys in the next video.
She's a mama's baby. Oh, that's my mama baby. My mama baby, baby girl, mama's baby. That's my mama baby, baby girl, mama's baby. That's my mama baby, baby girl, mama's baby. She my mama baby, baby girl. She my baby. That's my mama baby. She my mama baby. That's my mama baby, pretty girl. Pretty baby. Oh, she loves it when I say baby. Baby. Oh. Bye, guys.